So now we are going to see how you can implement the Google Search Console so that our website should at least come on Google search, right? So whenever someone search it, okay, so it's not currently there, but yeah, so you have to go on plugin, you have to go on add new plugin, and just wait for 1 second. Right, maybe there's some problem came, right? So in the add new section we have to create write Google and click on enter. Now here you have to add SiteKit by Google and click on install. After installing, just click on activate. Now here you have to start the setup, and if you don't see there, like, you can just here you can see the Google SiteKit, and yeah, click on sign in, then sign in Google. Then you just have to give some permissions and click on continue. Then click allow, and it automatically get the access and verify it. Then click on add site. Now congratulations, you successfully set up this SiteKit, and go to your dashboard. Okay, now here you just have to wait, and it will just within few days or few hours it will just start gathering your data from the Google Search Console. But the website is currently new, so I don't know that it will not gather. It can take up to a week, right? Now this is how you can connect your Google Search Console. Now in the next video you will find us connecting the service such as Google Analytics. See you there.